Hello and good evening. Today's daily video task topic is a technical topic called drug discovery and drug and development. In this video, I will talk about drug discovery and drug development, which includes stages of drug discovery and various phases of drug development. Now, what is drug discovery? Definition: uh, Drug discovery is a process if of finding or discovering a new candidate medication or new candidate drug. This process is crucial because this process is important because it leads to the discovery of new treatments for diseases that currently have no cure, or where existing treatment is not that sufficient. It includes identifying a disease. Drug discovery starts with identifying a disease or condition that that needs to have a better treatment. Scientists then study the disease to understand the cause, it uh, the understand the causes or at a molecular level. Now, the stages of drug discovery, there are four stages. Target validation, identification and validation. The first step is identifying a biological target, which can be protein or gene. The target that plays a important role in disease mechanism. This target is then validated to ensure it's directly involved in the disease process and mechanism. Third stage is lead compound discovery. Once a target is identified and validated, the researcher search for a lead compound, a compound that can interact with the target and alter its behavior or mechanism. Fourth point is optimization of lead compound. After finding a lead compound, scientists modify the compound to improve its efficacy, reduce side effect, and make it suitable for further testing. Now, concept of drug discovery. It simply means the development. Concept of drug development. It simply means turning a discovery into a medicine. Drug dis- devel- dis, Drug development is a process that takes a lead compound from the discovery stage and turn it into phase safe and effective medicine or drug, which can be available to the general public. Now, the phases of drug discovery, there are the preclinical testing. Before any testing in human, the drug is first tested in the lab and on the animal to ensure its safety parameter. It involves in vivo study and in vitro study. Clinical trial. If the preclinical testing is successful, then the drug undergoes clinical trial on human in four phases. Phase 1, the trial on a small group of healthy volunteers to evaluate the safety parameter of drug. Phase 2, trial on a larger group of patients to evaluate effectiveness and side effect of the drug. The third phase, confirmatory phase, the testing of drug even larger group of population to confirm the drug's effectiveness and monitor for side effects and compare it to the existing treatment. The last phase 4, also called PMS, post marketing surveillance. It is the it is done after market approval. It includes continuous studies to monitor long-term effectiveness and safety of drug in the general public population. It uh, it it involves rare and side effects, uh, side effects monitoring. Now the concept of regulatory approval process. First one is IND application, means refers to investigational new drug. Before a drug can be tested in human, uh, the sponsor of company or the sponsor must submit an IND application to their respective regulatory authority to get an approval to conduct the clinical trial on humans. The second application is new drug application, also referred as NDA application. After uh, successful completion of clinical trial on human, the must submit sponsor of company must submit uh, an an NDA application to the regulatory authority. The IND includes a document that has all the data and the analysis from the clinical studies, preclinical studies, and the clinical studies. It it must demonstrate that the drug is safe, effective, and of high quality for its intended use.